Flower lovers, gardeners, and vendors all gathered at the 2025 Plant America Garden Expo to shop with local vendors, attend gardening and horticultural activities, and listen to expert guest speakers. The second annual event attracted over 500 visitors to the Weldon Spring site. More than 25 vendors hosted booths at the event, giving visitors a chance to shop for everything from flowers to gardening supplies and more. Kids, and more kids. The younger crowd enjoyed activities and games with learning and fun in mind, from building seed balls for planting at home, creating a water planter, rock art, a water cycle game, and more. Some ups and downs. Attendees got their steps in with trips up and down the more than 90 steps to the top of the Weldon Spring disposal cell. The cell is one of the most recognizable features of the site and is a mile in circumference and more than 75 feet tall, offering an unobstructed view of the surrounding Chesterfield and St. Charles areas. Weldon Spring staff members interacted with visitors and supported the event, handling everything from parking to kids' activities, assisting with setup and coordination.